It's one of life's pleasures, just following burns up mountainsides. I don't know if it's just because it's that they get smaller and smaller, and then you know they're going to peter out eventually, but there's just something quite alluring and enticing about following a burn up a hillside to its source. Undoubtedly though, I think a lot of the joy just comes from the simple pleasure of hearing that noise, having that noise accompanying you all the way up a hill. It's quite it's a funny word to use, but it's quite a friendly sound. Possibly because water is what you need when you're thirsty, and you know that you're never far from being replenished if you run out of water if you're thirsty. But it's just a nice sound.